Today, I'll be doing a diamond tip microdermabrasion facial on my client with combination skin and skin congestion, deeply cleansing and exfoliating her skin, but inviting in calm and relaxation. Starting off with the Dermalogica Pro Pre-Cleanse, which melts away makeup, sunscreen, and daily pollution buildup. It's a plant-based cleansing oil that's lightweight and formulated with a blend of nourishing olive oil and kukui oil to purify pores and deep clean residual products that build up on the skin throughout the day. Next, I'll be using Skinscript's Pomegranate Antioxidant Cleanser. This cleanser is a moderately rich cream-based cleanser infused with a wide array of antioxidants, nutritional elements, and oils to restore and protect the skin. This cleanser soothes irritation, it reduces inflammation and redness, it assists in boosting hydration levels, it enhances cellular turnover, and I chose this cleanser because of its soothing benefits, which will be good before her microdermabrasion treatment. For her exfoliant, I'm going to use the Illuma Intense Brightening Exfoliating Powder, which is a water-activated micro-exfoliating powder that'll help with a brighter, more even tone complexion. And if you've been watching my facial videos, you know that this is one of my favorite gentle exfoliants. It gently polishes and buffs away dead skin buildup, and it's brightening and illuminating the skin. This exfoliation is also going to be prepping her skin for all of the products that'll come next in this facial treatment. Once removing the product with the facial sponges, I'll be using a warm steam towel to remove any excess product, to open the pores in preparation for extractions, to discharge any oils and advance collagen and elastin, and of course for the relaxation benefits. In preparation for her extractions, I'll be using RD Alchemy's Desincrustation solution, which is effective in opening pores and softening plugs to make extractions easier. It's good for those with oily, congested, or acne-prone skin. It's a pH-balanced formula enriched with aloe, lavender, and 12 detoxifying herbal extracts. I'll be starting her diamond microdermabrasion, which is one of the easiest and most effective ways to fight the effects of aging. With this tool, I'll be able to penetrate deep into the skin, allow her body to build collagen, and help uncover more beautiful, more clear skin. Using a diamond tip, the outer layers of the skin are exfoliated, and this allows for the alleviation of a plethora of skincare concerns. It's recommended that this treatment is administered in a series of visits. I also want to note some contraindications for doing microdermabrasion. If you have moderate to severe acne, if you have rosacea, if you have a rash or wound or other skin irritation, and in some cases if you're using topical retinoids. So if any of these apply to you or your client, you shouldn't proceed with this treatment. After her microdermabrasion, I'm applying Dermalogica's post-extraction solution to provide healing and anti-inflammatory benefits. Now it's massage time. Take a deep breath, relax, release any tension, and surrender to healing, peace, and calm. Of course, I'm using Dermalogica's massage cream, which is an oil-based massage cream that's lightweight and also provides a nice glide. For her mask, I've chosen Skinscript's Goji Berry Yogurt Mask, which is a creamy mask in a yogurt base that's great for hydrating and infusing nourishment into the skin. This is a perfect post-microdermabrasion mask that firms the skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, improves the skin's elasticity, moisturizes, rebuilds the skin, and calms the skin. While that mask sets for about 10 minutes, I'll be giving her a little arm and hand massage with natural Wonderz lavender and honey oil. Now I'll be using Eminence Organic Skincare's Soothing Chamomile Tonique, which is a toner that's going to calm her skin with an organic blend of botanical extracts. This toner is a beautiful rejuvenating complement after a microdermabrasion facial. Next, I'll be using the Illuma Intense Facial Illuminator, which is a concentrated corrector and skin brightening serum that helps to reduce the appearance of pigmentation and dark spots while enhancing luminosity or a lit from within glow. To moisturize her skin, I'll be using Sorella Apothecarys Blueberry Milk Moisturizer, which eases the appearance of fine lines and fatigue with powerful antioxidants. It has aloe, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C to repair the skin, while leaving it revitalized with peptides to lighten and brighten the skin. Of course, I finish all of my facials with the Beachbum Wisdom Sacred Glow Ritual Oil, which is a restorative and skin nourishing blend of all of the best non-pore clogging vegan oils that deeply condition, restore, and feed the skin's barrier. To protect her skin, I'll be applying Black Girl Sunscreen, which is a broad spectrum SPF 30 infused with natural ingredients. It's going to help to prevent against sun damage, premature aging, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots. Lastly, I'll be applying some Ormedic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. And now her skin is looking more vibrant and clear, and she'll be coming back in 4 weeks to continue her series of microdermabrasion treatments.